Welcome to another video to Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain Management. Today I would like to show you how you can use your custom product attributes in the Unified Price Management module. In my application I have created some release products. These are all laptops from Lenovo, Microsoft or HP, and I would like to show you how you can create custom product attributes like a manufacturer, a brand and a CPU type, and use it in the Unified Price Management for margin deals or whatever you want to use it. So to get started, I will create first the attribute types, then the attributes and attribute group, assign values to the laptops, and finally use it in the Unified Price Management. So from the released products, we go to Product Information Management, go to Setup, to the attribute types, and I will create here 3 types. The first one will be for the manufacturer, and I will call it UPM menu for manufacturer. It's a text type, and I will use a fixed list here. So we will start with HP, Lenovo and Microsoft. The next type will be the brand. I'll use uppercase here. And again a fixed list. So brand type, I have Elite Books from HP, ProBooks, or ProBook would be the brand name, also from HP, ThinkPad from Lenovo, and from Microsoft, the laptops. And the third one would be the CPU type, again a fixed list, and here I would like to use AMD, Intel or Snapdragon for the ARM types. Now that we have the attribute types, I will create the attributes which are based on the type. So the first one would be the attribute for the manufacturer based on the attribute type manufacturer, and one important value to be set is to use this attribute in the price management. Let's set this to yes and call it UPM, well, call it manufacturer. And default value HP is okay for me. And the next one would be the brand attribute based on the brand type that I've created earlier. And again, important stuff here to set, so it can be used as price attribute. And the last one is attribute for the CPU type based on the CPU type, and we'll also set the value here. And default is AMD is okay for me. So when we check our newly created attributes, we have a manufacturer, and you see this is a kind of bug that we always lose this information here, and also this flag. I don't know why this is happening. It's just very annoying. Maybe because this is 10.0.44, I don't know if this is existing bug, but now it looks good. Manufacturer is a price attribute, CPU is a price attribute, brand as a price attribute. So save, and this is fine. Now the next would be to create an attribute group. This is necessary to be assigned in the commerce hierarchy later. We call it UPM attribute group. And let's add here the 3 attributes, which is the manufacturer, the brand and the CPU. Save. Now that we have this group, we can assign it in the retail management, which can be found here, retail and commerce, commerce product hierarchy, and electronics, computers, laptops. And here is our attribute group. Move it on the right side to the selected. You see we have these 3 attributes. Click OK. And now we can use these attributes for every product that is assigned to this laptop hierarchy. This is already done because when I created the released products, I configured it to be a laptop. So from product information management back to the released products, let's assign the attributes, starting with the Microsoft Surface laptop. So from product attributes, we now have here the manufacturer as Microsoft, CPU is a Snapdragon, and I misspelled it here, excellent. No, it's a Snapdragon, but I don't care. And this is a Surface laptop. So we have a ThinkPad Snapdragon. The manufacturer is Lenovo, the CPU is Snapdragon, and the brand is ThinkPad. The next is an AMD ThinkPad. So from product attributes again, this is a Lenovo machine, it's AMD, and it's a ThinkPad. And now we have 2 AMD machines from HP, a ProBook and an EliteBook. So this would be our AMD ProBook. This is a ProBook, it's AMD and HP, and our EliteBook. The brand is EliteBook, that's correct, it's an AMD CPU, and HP is the manufacturer. So this would be enough for the configuration part, and now we can come to the interesting part. So from the modules under price management, you can find here price attribute groups. And from the price attribute group we can create a new line type and call it no UPM laptop line, whatever. Click save once, and now we should be able to find, yes, our attributes. If you don't see your attributes here, go back to the product information management and check if the flag can be used for price management is active. You have seen in my buggy version it disappeared a few times. So we use this 3 here. Click save. And one important step is here to set the validation to yes, otherwise you won't see it. So validated is yes, and now we can go to the price component codes and for example to the promotional discount, where we have one already existing line attribute group, and now we can add here our UPM group. And if you wait a second, you will see that is appearing here in the combination. So we can now use customer in our UPM lines, and we can also use the all in UPM lines. This combination would now be allowed. So from the promotional discounts, save this information. Now we could go to the discounts and use this simple discount, for example, should be enough. This is now disabled. And from our configuration, now we can say we create a special discount here. So for sales order pool something, I think this is wholesales, we can now say we create a special discount for all Snapdragons. And when we try to preview, we should see that this will affect all laptops that have a Snapdragon CPU. So in my example, this would be the Lenovo laptop with Snapdragon, and of course a new Microsoft Surface Laptop 7 that had also a Snapdragon CPU. So you can play with this value here if you want, or if you like, you can say we make a discount on all Lenovo machines. Now we have a discount for the ThinkPad with an AMD CPU and Snapdragon CPU. So this is a very quick introduction how you can create custom product attributes and use it immediately in the price management to create special discounts, adjustments, or for whatever you like to use it. I hope this was useful, and if you like the video, please leave a like on the YouTube. Thanks for watching, have a good day, bye bye.